Coordinator for Arts and Health Partnerships at the UNC School of the Arts, and I'm here to help you check your pulse and find your groove. What can an experience in interactive group drumming help teach a physician about being more empathetic, improve your teamwork and communication skills? If you want a fun way to earn continuing medical education credit, come join me. If drumming's not your thing, we have classes in visual arts, singing, we have a class in acting, or you can learn to be a conductor. But I'd love to have you here to groove along with me.